Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'll be showing you how to draw a ballerina cappuccina in Halloween form. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our ballerina cappuccina in a Halloween form, let's begin by working on the top of the head. So I'm going to begin right here, and I'm going to start by making a line that's just going to kind of curve, and then I'm going to bring this up to here. I'm going to make two small lines, then I want to curve it. Then we'll do a curve here too. Next, I'm going to bring this line up and then down. Then we're going to bring this line up and then down for like a little witch's hat. And then let's just curve a line right across here too. Now, starting here, let's bring a line across here, and then I'm just going to curve it in a little bit. Then I'm going to make a couple little like circle shapes in here. I'm not going to fill in the bottom though. I'm just going to put a couple. We'll put one right behind there. We're going to jump over this, go to here, and then right to here. I'm going to make a little line to here. Then I'm going to curve a line that's going to come right to this bubble. We're going to jump over it and go to here. Next, I'm going to bring this line down, and we're going to curve it up. So instead of her head being a cappuccino, we're going to make it like a cauldron. Now let's work on her face. So I'm going to begin here by making a big sad face, and then we'll make another big sad face for the top of the eyes. We'll curve a line right across each one. Then we'll kind of darken the line up a little bit right above it, just to kind of look like the eyeliner. And then we can make some eyelashes on each side. Let's draw a large circle inside each shape for the eye. Then we're going to make another circle towards the top. Then we're going to make a smaller circle in there and kind of color in around here for like the reflection in the pupil. We'll make a little smiley face shape for the nose. Then we'll make a little smiley face for the mouth. We'll go down and up for the bottom lip, and then we'll go up and down a couple times for the top. Next, we're going to make a line that's going to go up, down, and back for the eyebrow. And then same thing, we're going to go over, kind of go up, and then back down. Now for the neck, we're just going to draw a line that's going to go down, and then it's going to come up. Then for the body, we're going to make a line that's going to come down, we're going to go over, and then up here. We're going to make a line that's going to come out and down, and then out and down here. I'll make a line that's going to come out. I'm going to make a little curve. We'll make a little bump here for the thumb, and we're going to bring it back. And then up here, we're going to bring this line up. We're going to make a small curve. Make a little line for the thumb, and then we're going to bring this back. We're going to make a line here and a line here. And then right here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down. That's going to curve around and up. And then same thing, we're going to go down, curve around and up. I'm going to make a line that's going to curve out and come back. and then same thing here, curve out, and then come back. We're going to draw some little lines across for like some stripes. And we're going to make lines going to come down and back here. And then same thing, down and then back here. Then over here, we're going to make a little broom. So I'm going to draw a line that's just going to come up and then down. We'll connect it. We'll draw some little points on here and then bring it up. We'll make a few little lines across and then a couple little lines on here. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Halloween version of the Ballerina Cappucina. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.